Good afternoon, student. I hope you all are fine. And now I'm making this video again to show you this in the simplest way how you can check your homework and upload your homework also. So what you have to do first, you have to check your homework, which homework your teacher has uploaded on Teams. So go to your Teams and check your homework first. So I'm just showing you class 5 social science homework. So what you have to do, go to your class 5 8 is showing in the middle, and you have to click on the social science channel. So first it will show like this, and then click on files. There is some folders created by some students, and also there is a folder which is created by me. In the middle you can see class work folder, classwork 2020-21. You have to click on it. There is another folder in it named final term. What you have to do, you have to click on it, and when you click on this PDF file chapter 8 respecting regional differences of class 5 social science, you can see here is the homework. You can download it from here, and you have to do in your notebook. This homework you have to do in your notebook. And after that, this is the simplest way you can check your homework which is uploaded by your teacher. It can be possible, I'm giving this name the classwork 2020-21. Maybe some teacher can give their name also. So they will teach you which folder they are creating. So you have to just go that folder and you can download it, your homework. Suppose when you clicked on it, you have downloaded and you have done your homework in your notebook. What you have to do after that, you have to go to tab scanner or whichever PDF file you have, or any app which can create PDF file. So you have to click on this camera option button. I am clicking on it. It is showing my homework. Suppose I have a old student notebook, so I am just clicking 2 pages, so show you that how you can click your homework and upload it on Teams. So I am clicking on it. Suppose this is your homework, you have done your homework in your notebook. So I am clicking a picture. It is just taking a little time, but you have to do. Just wait for some time and it is done. So you can crop it also and you can save it. It is just taking a little time. Okay, so it is done. You can save it. When you save this picture, it will also show another tab to add new pages. So you can add some more pictures. Suppose I am changing this and clicking one more extra pictures. Okay, you can take a picture and then you can crop it also. You have to be keep patience while you are clicking or you are making a PDF. Don't be panic, it is very easy. You have to just click a picture and then you have to crop it and you have to just save it. PDF file automatically converted. Okay, so I have clicked to photograph. So I'm stop here, and I'm doing, I'm just clicking on this pencil option. You can see here at the top there is a pencil option 10/15/2020 it is showing. So today is 15 October and I'm just changing its name. Suppose I am giving a name of my subject social science. Okay, so social science, I'm saving it as a social science. And then there is another option, download. You can see the down arrow button, you have to click on it. It will download it as a PDF form. So you have to save it. It will automatically create your these pictures into PDF form. So it will automatically show these options. You can upload it from there directly. I'm not uploading from here. I'm going to my Teams. Just showing skip. Okay, I'm going to my Teams because I have to upload my homework. I'm uploading from here. Go to social science channel class 5A. You can create your own folder. Go to files and you can, this is the plus symbol, you can create new folder. Suppose I am showing okay, name Kusum. So I'm creating a folder named Kusum and then I'm clicking on it and then I have to upload my homework because I've done this. So I'm uploading this and it will show my recent files. So there is a social science. I have named social science. So it has a two social science because now I have recently saved. So 1439. So 239, that means I have recently saved this file. So this is my homework. So it will automatically submitted my, when I click on my upload option, it will directly upload my homework. So this is, suppose this is my homework. Okay, so it is the easiest way to upload your homework. You have to just create a folder, simple folder, and you have to upload this PDF form. So for today this is, I'm done, and if you are having any problem then write in the comment box. So I will solve and make another video for you. Thank you.